people. Hi guys. Okay, today I'm gonna make salmon, garlic and butter and mashed potatoes. So ito yung mga ingredient. Ayan, simple lang siya. So guys, and then ito yung baking tray and then yung boiling water. So ilalagay ko tong potato. I'm gonna put the potato in that. So okay, let's begin. Okay guys, my recipe is we have salmon and potato, salt, pepper, lemon, garlic, butter, and olive oil. That's it. And then salmon with mashed potato. Okay guys, ito na yung potato, yeah. I-boil natin siya. Ayan. And then this recipe I'm gonna put in here. Okay, lagyan natin ito ng salt. Okay, salt. Lagyan natin siya ng paper. Ang paper natin. Ayan. Masarap kasi kapag gana. Lagay natin yung garlic. Ayan. Okay, guys. Squeeze yung lemon. Squeeze natin siyang konti. Ayan. Okay guys, lagay ko yung lemon sa paligid. Okay. Isa lang yung ano ko. So, and then I put the butter. Ayan. So, lagay na natin yun sa oven. About 20 minutes. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, ito yung sangkap. This is the recipe for mashed potato. Meron tayong gatas, milk, paper, salt, and butter. Ayan, nagbuboil ko siya. So, and then ready now. Imamash ko siya. I'm gonna mash this with pork. Okay, so just a little bit first option. Okay guys, the potato is cooked, so I need to mash this in here. So that imamash natin siya ng ganito. Okay, until gonna mash it. Okay. Ilagay natin yung mga sangkap. I'm gonna put all the ingredients when I'm already done. Okay guys, look at this. Mash natin siya ng ganyan. Lagay natin yung asin. Put the salt, pepper, and butter. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng milk. Ayan. At haluin lang natin siya, people. Hanggang sa all the ingredient is guys, nilagay ko siya dito para maluto yung butter. To cook the butter and the milk. So then I mix it and then it's all done guys, so ready to put in the plate. Okay guys, look at that. And this one, amazing. Okay guys, it's ready. Lagyan na natin siya dito. Wow, so yummy, isn't it? Ayan. Okay guys, and then yung mashed potato, lagay natin dito. Wow, amazing. Lagyan natin siya ng coriander. Wow. Okay guys, look at that. Amazing. Salmon, butter, and garlic with mashed potato. So Guys, hopefully you like my recipe today and you are enjoying to watch. And thanks again for your watching and have a nice day. Okay people, sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking luto, mashed potato with salmon. So, it's lovely and amazing. It smells delicious. Easy to make. Please watch and subscribe. In the kitchen, we are fire. Thank you. Love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay guys. Oh, look at amazing. I'm gonna try now, yeah? I'm gonna try. Okay people, sige. Kain na tayo. Oh, I'm gonna try. Look at the salmon. Oh my god, I love it. And the mashed potato. I love it. The salmon is very lovely. The mashed potato is very creamy, so it's perfect people. So thank you for your watching guys. Hopefully you're enjoying my recipe today and easy to bake, very easy and simple. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and like. Stay home and safe. God bless. Bye now. Love you all guys.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love